Got the old pond tore out. As you can see, a massive pile of rocks. Excavating the pond out a little bigger right here to kind of match this big pond up here. Gonna kick with a long 36-foot deep canal for the fish to swim back and forth. So we had to bring in a lot of dirt. We're gonna be able to raise all this up to make it a little more level. And then we still have these big rocks to move with the big sky track coming Thursday. Right now we're just cutting some shelves out, get them a little better. FncPonds, we're here. We've had some rain delays. We have been rained out 4 days in a row, but we have finally started some rocking. Homeowner had a lot of re-rock they wanted to reuse, so we're using a lot of the re-rock, but we did bring in some nicer boulders. So we started creating a big canal where the fish can swim back and forth. We're gonna have a nice little wetland here. Got the Aquascape skimmer intake bay, and all this water is gonna be pumped down to this cool waterfall. And then we rebuilt these waterfalls, which are gonna turn out really nice. Got Christian and Abel rocking in so hard. Then today was bring your kids to work day, and the homeowner let these whack jobs swim in this pond. Say hi. Next video ought to be running. Stay tuned. This is called a Texas bass. Finally got our pond rocked in, running. Got an Aquascape signature skimmer. We got a little intake bay going in right here. We got an awesome wetland that's gonna help keep this pond crystal clear. A little murky today. Got a long canal so the fish can swim back and forth. Got a very simple waterfall. And then this is gonna be a massive waterfall right here. You're gonna get to enjoy it from this beautiful deck. So we got all the fish in. Got all the fish in, and they are just dying to come through here. They are still a little skittish. They got some really pretty ones. Let's see if they start swimming through the canal. Ooh, they're getting... There we go, we got 2 of them going. Got them out of a nasty pond in some good healthy filtration. Got our waterfalls running. Patio clean. Working on a dry creek because we have major flooding.